Welcome back to where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a car that's been making waves in the midsize sedan market, the Kia K5. The Kia K5 has certainly shaken up the midsize sedan market since its launch. It replaces the outgoing Optima, but it's not just a name change. The K5 brings a complete overhaul in terms of design, technology, and driving experience. Let's take a closer look at why the Kia K5 deserves your attention. Let's start with the first thing you notice about any car, its design. Kia has really pushed the boundaries with the K5. The exterior styling is aggressive, sporty, and premium. The front grille, which Kia calls the Tiger Nose grille, now stretches wider and connects with the sleek LED headlights. The lighting signature is one of the standout features. The zigzag or heartbeat-shaped LED daytime running lights give the K5 an unmistakable road presence. The long hood, sharp creases along the side, and sloping roofline give it a fastback-like silhouette. It's a design language you'd expect to see on premium European sedans, but Kia has managed to bring that to a much more affordable segment. The rear end of the K5 is equally striking, with connected taillights and dual exhaust tips on the sportier trims. It's hard to ignore the car's bold appearance. Moving on to what's under the hood. The Kia K5 offers two engine options depending on the trim you choose. The K5 also offers all-wheel drive as an option on the GT line trim, which is great for those who live in areas with harsh weather conditions. The all-wheel drive system helps improve traction and stability, especially in rain or snow. Now let's step inside the Kia K5. The interior is where Kia has really stepped up its game. The cabin feels premium, spacious, and modern, with high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. The available 10.25-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrates into the center console, giving the cabin a high-tech feel. Even the base trims get an 8-inch touchscreen, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the best part? They're both wireless on the smaller screen. One of the standout features of the interior is the ambient lighting system, which allows you to customize the cabin's atmosphere with different colors. It adds a premium touch, especially at night. The K5 offers heated and ventilated front seats on higher trims, which makes it comfortable in both summer and winter. The seats themselves are well-bolstered, supportive, and offer plenty of adjustment options, making long drives a breeze. In terms of passenger space, the K5 provides ample room for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats are spacious enough to accommodate adults comfortably, and the sloping roofline doesn't compromise too much on headroom. Trunk space is also generous, offering 16 cubic feet of cargo capacity, which is more than enough for luggage, groceries, or even a weekend road trip. Kia has packed the K5 with cutting-edge technology that enhances both the driving experience and overall convenience. As mentioned earlier, the K5 offers an 8-inch or 10.25-inch touchscreen depending on the trim. The larger screen comes with Kia's intuitive UVO infotainment system, which includes features like navigation, split-screen capabilities, and a user-friendly interface. The digital instrument cluster on higher trims is another highlight. It provides sharp graphics and customizable displays, giving you all the vital information right in front of you. For connectivity, the K5 comes with multiple USB ports, Bluetooth, and voice recognition. Kia has also introduced over-the-air updates to keep the infotainment system up to date. Safety is a top priority for Kia, and the K5 doesn't disappoint in this area. The car comes with Kia DriveWise, the brand's suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety features include higher trims add even more advanced features like. These features not only make the K5 safer but also more convenient to drive, especially on long highway trips. The K5 has also earned top safety ratings from organizations like the IIHS, which gives it confidence-inspiring crash protection. The Kia K5 offers excellent value for what it brings to the table. Pricing starts at around $25,000 for the base LX trim and goes up to around $31,000 for the fully loaded GT line. The Sporty GT trim, with the powerful 2.5L engine, is priced around $33,000. Considering the design, features, and performance you get. The K5 undercuts many of its rivals in terms of price while offering a lot more. If you're someone looking for a sporty, feature-rich, and stylish midsize sedan, the K5 is hard to overlook. While competitors like the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Nissan Altima offer solid options, the K5 stands out with its bold personality and excellent value for money.
Whether you're commuting to work, planning a long road trip, or just want a car that looks and feels premium, the Kia K5 is ready to deliver. And that's our deep dive into the Kia K5. What do you think of this sporty midsize sedan? Do you prefer it over its competitors? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future car reviews, comparisons, and updates.